you are the Reiki practitioner who's pregnant, offering Reiki services, one, I'm going to say, take a deep breath and feel into it. Is this something that you have enough energy to overflow in abundance with? Or is this a time that you want to go, I need all the energy for me, and I'm going to be and take that time for self-care? So everyone is a little different, because so every pregnancy is different. One pregnancy to the next is different. So part of it is really trusting your own body, your own physiology, and knowing that whatever you choose is right for you. There's not a one way fits all, especially with this question, because some pregnancies are really rough and some are easygoing. I've had 5 years experience as a student midwife, and I had one pregnancy that was like easy peasy. I could do this every year. I just don't want that many kids. And so I thought about surrogacy, because I thought pregnancy was so easy. They just, when it's time to give birth, they just fall out of me. Like they're easy. My second one, horrific pregnancy. I couldn't do Reiki. Every time I tried to put my hands on someone else, I would throw up, like literally. So that's why it really is so individual. And so take just feel into it. You can set the intention that the Reiki, as it flows through you, it heals you and your growing child, and then the excess, the abundance flows to your client. So I would start with your intention, being really clear that may I receive, may my baby receive, and may my client receive. And if you want to, and Reiki doesn't come from our energy. When we offer Reiki, it's not making the intention really clear. May this come through. May I be a clear conduit. You don't want to be giving your life force energy. You don't want to be giving your chi. And if you have really clear boundaries there, then it's going to flow through you. Still, for me, my personal experience was that the energy felt overwhelming. It felt like the conduit of being a conduit was too much for me to handle, and too much, especially my second pregnancy. First pregnancy, not so much. First pregnancy, I could do whatever, and I was young. I was like 24. My second pregnancy, however, kicked my butt. I literally had to set aside Reiki for almost 9 months. I couldn't do it on myself. My partner could give me Reiki. Other people could give me Reiki, but I couldn't. So really feel into what feels right for you.